Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for today, I'm going to show you how to make cucumber ginger juice without a juicer. A lot of people comment sometimes that they don't have a juicer. So this time I'm going to make juice without a juicer. So what we have here is just one cucumber and an inch of ginger. So now we're going to peel our ginger and cucumber. It's up to you. If you want to include the skin, then it's your choice. Cucumber guys have a refreshing taste. It is high water content and it can help relieve dehydration. There are lots of health benefits. One of those are it will help lower blood pressure, keeps body healthy and functioning, help prevent constipation, healthy skin, and more. And our ginger here, it is a common treatment for upset stomach and nausea. It seems to aid digestion and saliva flow. One of the health benefits are it will help with motion sickness, treatment for cold and flu, and also minimize stomach discomfort. With all the one that I mentioned guys, I'm not a medical expert, so if you consider treating any ailments or discomfort that you have, it's still best to talk to your doctor first. So now we're going to slice our cucumber into small pieces so it's easy to blend with our ginger. And now we are done and ready to make our cucumber ginger juice. So let's put it in a blender. A blender or a food processor guys, it will work to make juice. Now we add a half cup of water and blend it all together for a couple minutes. Now that it's done, we're going to put it in a cup. We're going to use a strainer because we want a juice, not a smoothie. When we strain it, we have to use a spoon and push it a little bit so that the juice would go down. My strainer is small, so it takes time. We're almost done. Alright, done. So I have here a glass jar with a cup of ice. It's optional if that's what you want. So here's our juice, cold, fresh juice, cucumber, ginger juice. Here's our channel member, Life of MC, guys. Shout out to Miss Life of MC. Thank you so much. And guys, if you're not connected with Life of MC, check out her channel. She had new upload about a bag charm that you can use. It's really pretty.